Hi, welcome to Lamar High School and the first ever virtual open house. My name is Mitch Harris. I am the high school principal here at Lamar High School. This is my 27th year. I hope you enjoy what we're trying to do. This is something new that's never been done before. My goal for this video is just to kind of show you around what's new in the high school and the teachers that make it special. So keep in mind, I'm a high school principal. I'm not a great video person. This is my first attempt at this, so please keep that in mind. I'll try to give you the best experience that I can give you, and I hope you enjoy coming into our world, and I hope you want to be a part of Lamar High School. I just want to tell you, Lamar has three main entrances. Right behind me, that's the entrance for the visitors and the parents coming in. To my left is where all students will walk in, and to my right is where the teachers will come in. Now please keep in mind, every person that comes in our building will have to have their temperature checked before we let you go any further. Come on in. This is the entrance we were talking about in the previous video. This is where the students will come in. Feel free to follow me. As you walk in the door, we're going to the right. That's the first temperature check station that all our students will experience. Notice the marks on each side of the hallway. That's to make sure every student is properly distanced. So, welcome to the high school. Okay. One of the first places I wanted to take you as part of this open house is in our brand new gym. We're really proud of it. It's probably one of the nicest things we've had in a long time, and I guarantee it's one of the nicest gyms in Johnson County. So come on in, take a look around. I hope you enjoy it as much as I know that our parents and students have, and looking forward to have it in the future.
I'm Leland Norton, and I'm the custodian of the gyms and the man with the keys.
Right beside the new gym is the lunchroom, and even though it says do not enter, that's okay. I'm the high school principal, we can enter, so come on. Let me show you our new lunchroom. Really proud of it. As you can see, there's lots of room. Right now the front of the stage is socially distanced so that all our students are 6 feet apart from each other. We have 2 split lunches, so that we hopefully never have more than a couple hundred kids eating at the same time. So we'll make sure that this is totally safe before we start school, and hope you like it. Now that you've had a chance to look around at the lunchroom, I guess it's time to exit stage left. So if you come with me, we're going to cruise on out of the lunchroom, and we're going to go into the main part of the high school. Every student that eats lunch, breakfast, will exit these doors into the main high school. All right, this is the great group of staff I was just telling you about, and if you don't mind, I'm going to ask each one of them to introduce themselves, and if they want to add any information at all, we're perfectly great with that. So, starting from the right to the left.
I'm Anna Shockley.
Michelle Klingman, Audie Warren,
Jason Warren.
All right, that's it. That's the group that keeps us safe and clean in the morning. We're grateful to have them. Thank you, guys.
thank you.
The first person I want to introduce you to is Dave Metter, our counselor. I believe he's been here about 34 years. So I'm going to, if you don't care, I'm going to take you in his office and have him introduce himself, and then we'll move on with the teachers.
Good morning, Mr. Harris. Hi, I'm Dave Metter. I'm the high school counselor. I've been a counselor now, I think about 9 years. Taught English and coached baseball and a little bit of football in my 27 years here at Lamar High School. Hope you guys are having a great day. We look forward to an interesting school year this year.
Coach Slitterman. This is going to be a high school health. If you need to come to my class, you're going to need to be a piece of paper and a pencil, something to write with, and we'll look forward to having you back.
Good morning. I missed you all. I'm ready to see you. I look forward to having you back in class. You need a binder and something to write with, whether you're at home or here at school. You need to be able to keep everything together. And we will be watching a lot of things online.
Hey guys, it's Mrs. Young. I'm here for choir. We got a new room, new year, new everything, so I hope you're looking forward to being in here. It's going to be different because we've got some kind of crazy guidelines, but I hope you're looking forward to it. I hope to see you back soon. Bye.
Hey, I'm Michelle Bowen. I teach history, world history, U.S. history, and civics this year. My room's not decorated yet, but I'll have it ready by the time you get here. Hope to see you on the 24th.
Hi, Lori Cowling. I teach 9th and 10th grade civics, also junior high cheer coach, and senior high girls track. Come run with me.
Hi, welcome to speech class and debate and yearbook. Can't wait for school to get started.
Good morning, my name is Logan Wilbanks. I'm the new junior high coach. I'm going to teach civics and economics, and I look forward to meeting you all very soon.
Hey, I'm Mrs. Edwards. I work in the Distance Learning Center with all the online courses and the college courses. Can't wait to see you guys.
Hi, I'm Coach Barton. I teach alternative school. Looking forward to the new school year. Can't wait for y'all to get back.
Hello, I'm Miss Harrison. I have missed you all and I can't wait to see you.
I'm Mr. Little. This is my new classroom. I'm going to be teaching East this year. We're going to be doing some fun projects, and hopefully you're looking forward to it as much as I am.
Hey, I'm Holly Jones, the 11th grade English teacher.
Hi, my name is Ms. Krotz and I teach senior English. Welcome to my room. I hope you had a great summer and you spent a lot of time reading. I know that I did. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the 24th.
Hey guys, welcome to our beautiful new library. Oh, I'm Miss Cook.
Hello, I'm Miss Parker, and I will be your 9th grade English teacher this year.
Hey sophomores, I'm Mrs. Smith. I'll be your English teacher this year. Can't wait to get to know you.
Hi, I'm James Smith. I teach biology and AP biology. Hope you're ready for a decent year.
Hey guys, it's Alicia Shatwell. I work at Lamar High School. I'm a paraprofessional, and I am a reading intervention specialist. And I'm so excited to see you guys. Can't wait to see you.
I'm Mrs. Wicker, and I teach 9th and 10th grade resource.
Hi, I'm Miss Ostendorf, and I teach 11th and 12th grade resource.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Witt, and I teach 9th through 12th grade special ed.
Hi, I'm Mr. Haas. I teach self-contained.
Well, good morning, welcome, or evening, I guess, whatever the time may be. This is your chemistry class. We are excited to have your student and your children in class, and looking forward to having a great year.
Welcome to Physical Science. I am Judy Little. I will be your 9th grade science teacher. I can't wait to see you August 24th.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Galloway, and I teach Algebra 1.
Hi, I'm
I'm Mrs. Arrington. I teach pre-cal, quantitative literacy, and AP calculus.
Good morning, Kathleen Horton. You'll call me Miss Horton, I'm sure. Look forward to seeing you.
Hi, I'm Miss Gordon and I teach geometry.
Hi, I'm Laura Peltz. I teach Spanish and ESL.
Hello, everyone. I'm LaVonda Stepp, and I'm the art teacher. Any supplies that I have that you're going to need for class, we have on the Lamar webpage. So you'll go there to find out what you need for my class. And this is the art room.
Hey, I'm Coach Sampley, high school PE. Can't wait to get back to work.
Hello, I'm Nurse Shelley. Welcome back. We're excited to see you. Don't forget your mask. Don't forget your updated doctor's orders and your updated immunization record. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Officer Ossendorf, and I'm the School Resource Officer for the Lamar School Districts. If y'all have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me through the high school, the elementary, or the junior high, and let's have a great semester.
Before we close this video out, there's somebody really special I want to introduce you to. So we're kind of sneaking in the back door. She may not know we're coming, but we're going to surprise her. It's Miss Becky Hill, our secretary, who does everything. If you want to know something, call her. Don't call me, because that's who I answer to. So we're going to sneak in my back door, and we're going to kind of surprise her a little bit. This is Miss Becky Hill, who I just told you about, and I'm going to let her introduce her own self.
Hi, I'm Becky. Be glad when all y'all can come back to school.
All right, it's time for you guys to leave. Got to kick you out. We've got work to do. We've got students to get ready for, so that's it. We're getting out of here. Y'all are welcome to come back and join us virtually on the 24th, or we hope to have you back in school. But, hey, that's all I got for now. If you need anything, feel free to call me, 774-9540. Contact the office at any time. We'll be glad to do everything we can to help you. Thank you, guys.